Alright, y'all, real talk here for a minute. I've been pissed off all morning. Let me tell you why. That package that we got the other day that had that depositing equipment in there for the keto brick that I spent a ton of money on and was going to redefine how we made these keto bricks. Well, today we were going to put it together and run a batch of bricks, produce a batch of bricks using it. And it broke on me before we could even do one round through it. So I was like I don't even know how the emotions, I don't even know how to describe it. I was pissed off for sure. But because I'm just rambling at this point, but we were pushed up against time. We've spent all the money in investments and ingredients, and that was going to be like the pivotal moment that helped us really produce a lot of bricks this month, and it broke, and I'm just really mad and emotional and not in a very good state of being, and I was going to let that ruin my day, but I'm not going to let it ruin my day. We're going to figure things out. We're going to get the bricks to you. Come hell or high water, we're going to make it work. So I appreciate the support. And one thing has happened that has made me forget that and appreciate you, the supporters, because I know how much you want the bricks, and I'm trying to do everything I can to get the bricks, so I don't like mishaps like that. But to see how much y'all support us, come hell or high water, come rain or shine, is very, very, I don't know, it's very, very touching. Check this out, just to kind of illustrate how much y'all love us. One of my clients has made me something, and I want to showcase that because I have a feeling it's going to be pretty awesome. Should have got a knife. A key. We have a key here. Let's see if this works. Bear with us. Alright. Bear with us. Alright, y'all. You ready? Are you ready? You can kind of see the outline there. He made this by hand. Look at this. Michael, why are you so good to me, man? And this plugs into, can you plug this in right there? Alright, so it's my logo in a framed wooden frame, and it's like a epoxy resin finish, and there's an LED strip that goes around the perimeter, and it flashes because he showed it to me on the computer, but I don't know how to turn the LED strip on, so I'll figure that out and show you as soon as I figure it out. But I mean, how cool is this? Here I am all like mad, sad, pissed, and depressed because my equipment's not working. I can't be mad when something like this happens. Oh, did he give? There's a remote?
There's a remote.
Oh, shoot. Plug that in again, please. Whoa. Alright, turn that light off. Check this out, y'all. This is so cool. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Michael. You're the man, brother. Appreciate it. Love ya. Love all y'all. We're gonna get that thing fixed. We're gonna make some bricks. We're gonna keep being awesome. Y'all gonna keep being awesome. We're gonna keep just building up each other. That's what it's all about. So, love you. Take care. Toodaloo. Alright, y'all. Crystal figured out the remote. Check this thing out. Turn that light off if you would, please, babe. Boom! Look at that. Look at that.
Let me change it up a little bit. Bam, 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 bam.
Sweet! This is freaking awesome. You're the man, Michael. You're the man! Alright, so let me bring you up to speed. I haven't filmed anything today hardly because I was just in such a bad mood earlier. And then I got that gift that made me in a better mood. Crystal always makes me in a good mood. Where you at, baby? Come here, baby. So, we've been making bricks today the old-fashioned way without the depositor. We're gonna hopefully get that fixed. I sent them an email. They said it should not break like that, so they're gonna send us a replacement part, hopefully very soon. So we're just back to the old-fashioned pouring pitcher mode. And yeah, That's what we did today. We made a bunch of bricks. Headed to the gym right now to train shoulders. Why are you pinching my belly fat?
I'm just pinching his fat, guys.
Alright, to the shoulders we go.
Good.
By the way, y'all, those 7.3 miles I ran yesterday, wasn't feeling it then, but I'm feeling it now. Cannot even walk today.
I want to see that.
Baby, what's your favorite body part to work out?
My booty?
Really?
No.
Let me see.
I don't ever do butt workouts.
You're getting all extravagant on this vlog, baby. Risque. In all seriousness though, Crystal and I have the biggest, most firm, shapely butts of anybody I know, and we don't ever do any of those fancy butt workouts and booty lifts. Like, we just do heavy, deep squats, and that's the key.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, heading out of the gym right now. Pretty short workout, but quick little good shoulder workout. Got a good pump, so headed home. Wow, it's super dark. You can't hear me, or you can't see me, but you can hear me. Had a good workout. Tonight is the tonight is the Mr. Olympia for like the classic physique, so we're gonna watch that while we make the little signed insert cards for the brick. I've got a steak in my jewel. We got Crystal over there, just smiling in her sports bra.
Yeah.
You rocking the sports bra, babe?
Yes.
Flex.
No.
What you got going on, Jack? You hungry?
Just tip-topping around.
We'll go outside? We'll go for a walk? In an attempt to get more fat in, I'm going to opt for these pork jaws or however the heck you pronounce that. But look at the macros here. We have 12 grams of fat and only 1 gram of protein per 2 ounces. So really good way to get some fat in here. I'm also going to rock a side salad with some cheese and pumpkin seeds with an ample amount of olive oil. Trying to get more monounsaturated fats in. Alright, y'all, so I've eaten all my food. I'm about to go to bed. I've been trying to stream the Mr. Olympia. It's prejudging right now, and iHerb.com. Last year it was on Amazon, but this year iHerb.com had the live coverage of the Mr. Olympia competition, and it sucked. Like, the Mr. Olympia competition was probably good. I couldn't tell it because it just kept buffering. So I'm not too happy with iHerb right now. Did not get to watch the Mr. Olympia. This is literally like the only sporting event I watch all year long. So, not cool. Anyways, going to bed. Catch y'all tomorrow. Good night.